Good morning, Southwest Water. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Trent Eric. We are waking up to another breezy and gloomy start. Our day today is going to be cloud-filled and it is going to be windy. Right now you're looking live here at the Bayfront Inn where you can see the clouds as we wait for our sunrise, which happens a little bit after 7 o'clock. And we're not going to see much of that sunshine here today. Let's get you a check of the temperatures as a front lifts north and that wind continues out of the east. We're very mild. We're running 10 or more above our average of 58 with Fort Myers sitting at 68, 70 in Golden Gate, and we've got mid to upper 60s all the way through DeSoto County. For Arcadia, Port Charlotte, and Punta Gorda, it's just a little bit warmer than where we were yesterday as this warming trend is slowly continuing. I promise you, over the next couple of days, we're not going to be focused on the temperatures. It's going to be the wind and the storms on Saturday. You can see the wind here early, 15 miles per hour sustained from Punta Gorda all the way down towards Marco Island. We have seen the sustained winds in the upper teens to near 20 early this morning, and we've got those gusts right now of 26 at the Naples Airport, 21 in Marco Island. The wind gusts are going to pick up between 9 and 10 o'clock this morning. We'll see them back up 30 to 35 miles per hour once again today as we wait for the storms to arrive here on Saturday. Now, as far as the wind forecast here throughout the afternoon, you can see those numbers increasing around 10 o'clock to sustain 20. That's when we start to get the gusts there in the low to mid 30s. Now, the average high this time of year is 78. We're not going to be too far off of that with temperatures making it up to the mid 70s here today. The cloud cover will stay with us overnight, blanketing us in. We'll see temperatures back in the mid to upper 60s. Then we wait for the rain, and that's still all associated with the frontal boundary itself, which is sitting closer to the Florida Keys this morning with some decent rain for the southern parts of Miami-Dade County. Homestead, Florida City, and Kendall picking up some rainfall. For us, it's just going to be cloudy and windy as you see the clouds here through noon and all the way through 5 o'clock. Today's rain chance 20, maybe 30% for some light drizzle inland, and we need the rainfall. Let's keep that in mind as we look at the weekend. We still have a moderate drought along the coast with abnormally dry conditions stretching inland. So the rainfall this weekend, the timing's awful, but we do need it. There's the front. Let's show you a snapshot here of the next couple of days because today is going to be cloudy with most of the moisture sitting to the south. As this lifts north here, rain will start early on Saturday. There's the low developing over the Gulf of Mexico, and as it slides closer throughout the afternoon and evening there on Saturday, it is going to be very, very stormy, and that will continue. We'll get another wave after midnight, so 2, 3 o'clock in the morning on Sunday before things slowly clear out there on Sunday afternoon. Here's what it looks like on the 7-day forecast. Temperatures here in the mid 70s. Very wet, very stormy there on Saturday. We see a major cool down here through the early parts of next week. Matter of fact, we could see 2 mornings there where we wake up in the upper, if not mid 40s on Wednesday morning.